Hey everybody, you know me, it's Paul with Washington Pro Carpet Cleaning, and you're here for another episode of Carpet Guys Vlog. And in today's vlog, we're going to be testing the Green Dragon, putting it to a real test. And what I mean by that is we're going to clean somebody's garage that has commercial carpet. There are oil stains all over the carpet, and I'm mixing up 8 ounces per gallon or 8 ounces per every 2 gallon, I believe it is. So I used a total of 16 ounces in a 4-gallon bucket. And I'm using hot water. You can clearly see all of these stains. I'm not adding anything to the Green Dragon. I was going to use the Fire Dragon. Then I thought this would be a perfect opportunity because I really like the Green Dragon because it's wool safe. You know, it's just a go-to cleaner for me. And I'm going to use the 3M pad, scrubbing pad, the white pad, just to pre-scrub everything, and then I'm going to go over it with an Ironman bonnet. So stay tuned. I'm not going to show the entire scrubbing. I'm using one hand here. But most of the soil that was in the carpet, the oil I should say, has already started to loosen up and break down on its own. And so the Green Dragon's doing its job. I'm not letting it dwell very long, maybe 5-6 minutes dwell time. And here, I don't think I had the handle locked on the machine. Definitely doesn't feel right, so we'll take two. How about we throw this in reverse? And we can see I clearly didn't have it locked down. But anyway, the 175 is scrubbing it out real good. And then, like I said, we'll use an Ironman pad. What I'll do with the Ironman pad today is once I'm done scrubbing everything, I'll throw the pad down. I'll go over the entire surface of the carpet. And then when I'm done, I'm going to flip the pad over. And if there's any remaining oil, because obviously some of that oil is probably going to come up from underneath while I'm cleaning, I'll give it a second dose of Green Dragon lightly, and then I'll use the backside of the pad, and we'll just mop everything up that way. And then I'll show you the results at the very end when it's almost dry. I will stick around here today and let it dry. It's a nice day, the sun's shining, but that way I can actually see the results. You can see here, this is me getting ready to do the Ironman pad, and you can see just the 3M scrubbing pad, scouring pad, has pretty much taken care of everything, and obviously benefit to the Green Dragon for performing so well. And then now we'll just go over it again. I'm sure we'll pick up more soil. And here I am at the end of it. You can see
That's amazing.
looks fantastic. There's a couple of areas where you could see the oil kind of made a ring. It came up. When I first polished through there with the Ironman, everything was gone, and then as it sat for a minute, a little bit came up, which is normal. So I'm going to just respray a little bit, grab another pad, and just catch those front areas. And here's the final results. It's almost dry. Looks like brand new carpet. Absolutely beautiful. So if you're looking for a fantastic cleaning product, Green Dragon from the NCAP store, ncapstore.com. And oh man, I couldn't say anything more about how wonderful the product is. I wanted to take this opportunity excuse me, to test it so we could see, because I've been interchanging with the Green Dragon and the Dragon Fire, which is a higher pH product. But sure enough, Green Dragon pulls through, took care of the hardest of hard jobs. So there you go. I look forward to seeing you in my next episode.